Nyla purchased stock in a new company and wants an equation to estimate the value of the stock in the future. Good for you, Nyla. She notices that the value of the stock increases by approximately 0.2% each week. At the sixth week after purchase, the value of the stock is that much. Write in a function in the form f of x equals y sub 1 gross, where f of x is an estimated value of the stock, x is the number of weeks after the purchase, and x sub 1, y sub 1 is a point. All right, so you would be a point. Sixth week, well, hold on. What does it want week to be? X. So yeah, you would be a point. 6, 24.75. So let's do that. 6, 24.75. Okay, that's the x sub 1, y sub 1 that they want me to use. So let's set up what we have so far. F of x equals y sub 1 is 24.75. R is going to be, does it tell me what R is? Does it tell me what R is? No, but it's going to be my common ratio. And if something increases by 2.2% each, that means you're going to multiply it by 1 plus 0.2%, which is not 0.2. That's 0.002. So my common ratio is going to be that gross number right there. So f of x equals y sub 1 times the common ratio, 1.002, to the x minus x sub 1. So I guess we're just going to use regular x minus 6, which appears to be u. Kind of a strange problem. I don't like it.